Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can edit with the iMovie app. I'm here to share the basic steps required for a beginner who is new to this app. Before that, if you check out the description below, you can find time tags so that you can click on it for your required topic and you can save your time. If you don't know what time tags are and if you want to apply it on your videos, press on the I button above and check out our video on time tags. So, let's start. Creating a new project. First, in the search bar, we are going to type iMovie. Select iMovie. You can see the star icon over here. Click on it. Click on Create New. Select Movie. Importing files. To import our files, just click on this arrow. Now, select the required files. I am selecting the file iMovie sample. From that, File 1. Click on Import Selected. Now you can see the clip has appeared here. If you want to import more files, click on this arrow at the top. I want to select files from 2 to 6. For that, I am selecting file 2. Then holding on the Shift key, select file 6. Click on Import Selected. Placing clips on the timeline. I am just dragging the first clip onto the timeline. Then the second one. Here at top of the timeline, you can see settings. You can adjust your clip size here, so it's easy to view. There is also a scroll bar here. With this, you can scroll to any point in the video. Volume adjustment. Let's play this clip. You can see the volume symbol over here. Click on it and mute. Again, let's play the clip. You can see there's no sound. We can even increase the volume to 400%. Speed adjustment. To reduce the speed, click on the clock symbol and select slow. Select 50%. Let's play and see. Now select 25%. It's more slower. Selecting 10%. It's much more slower. Now we can select fast. Let's see how it works when it's 4 times faster. Next, 8 times. For my movie, I just want my clip to be 50% slow. So I'm selecting that. We can select reverse to reverse the clip. Let's play it and see. You can see it's reversed. Water is flowing upwards. I don't want to reverse my clip, so let's just untick this. Delete, split or trim a clip. To delete a clip, just select it and press delete. To split a clip, just select the point. Right click, select split clip. We can trim the clip by dragging it from either sides. Rename, duplicate, delete or open a project. Now, I'm closing this file and going back to projects. So, we have returned to the main window and you can see our video here. I'm going to rename it by clicking Rename Project. iMovie. We can also duplicate the project by clicking here. You can see iMovie and iMovie 1. I am deleting iMovie 1. By double-clicking the project, the video can be opened. Titles and transitions. Let's put some clips onto the timeline. Select titles. These are the different titles that we can apply. Let's select the first one. We can drag it as required. I'm typing iMovie. Select it and choose the required font. Select the required color by clicking here. Let's play it. I'm just putting another title on the next clip. Let's play and see how this works. Moving on to transitions. There are several options here. Let's select Circle Open and drag it between these two clips. Let's play it. Next, I'm selecting Slide Left. Let's play and see. To delete the transition, just select it and press Delete. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment box below. If this was helpful, hit me up with a like and consider subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching. See you with more advanced tips on the next video.